Welcome back to the 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge. Before we get started, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tools to become your best self. Let's begin. In this 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge, I'll prompt you with a different topic to ponder each day for your gratitude practice. After I reveal today's journal prompt, remember to just write freely and allow yourself to explore many different avenues. There are no right or wrong answers because everything you write is coming from you. Don't worry about spelling, punctuations, or being grammatically correct. Just focus on exploring your thoughts and emotions. You might uncover insights about yourself that might surprise you. Day 30. Imagine that you are writing a memoir about your life. What are the key moments that you would include? And how did those moments shape you? For your final journal prompt, take some time to think about the key moments in your life that shaped you and made you who you are today. Those key moments will definitely be a mix of good and bad memories. Don't be afraid to examine all of them and write down how you are a stronger person today because of the most influential moments in your life. Time starts now. Two minutes. Keep up the great work. 4 minutes in. Five minutes is now up. If you're struggling to write, or if you're crunched for time, feel free to put your pen down now. Otherwise, keep writing. And most importantly, don't stop if you're in a flow. Minutes left. Don't stop, you're doing great. 1 minute left. Time's up. How'd you do?
You did it! Congratulations on completing the 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge. By practicing gratitude consistently throughout our lives, we learn to appreciate the little things in life that money just can't buy. Additionally, we open our lives up to more things to be grateful for. My hope is that you are able to continue to express gratitude for the things that we often take advantage of. May you spread more joy and compassion to others in doing so. And finally, from the bottom of my heart, I am so grateful for you for supporting my channel and bringing your awesome energy here. Keep up the great work and be sure to keep watching my channel for more exciting tools to help you along your journey of self-discovery.